The human abdomen is covered in layers of muscle and strong tissue that help in the movement and protection of internal organs. A hernia is a gap in this muscular wall that allows the contents inside the abdomen to protrude outward. A hernia is quite common in individuals with decreased levels of vitamin D, as it may facilitate the development of an inguinal hernia. Hernias are majorly caused by a combination of muscle weakness and strain, prolonged muscle stretch. A hernia can develop quickly or for a long period, depending on its cause. Here we have gathered some common causes of hernia that you should know. 1. Aging. When we get older, our muscles and other organs in the body also get weakened. The inguinal and femoral hernias are due to weakened muscles that may have been present since birth, or are associated with aging and repeated strains on the abdominal and groin areas. Most of the strain, prolonged muscle stretch, may come from physical exertion, obesity, pregnancy, frequent coughing, or straining on the toilet due to constipation. 2. Damage from an injury or surgery. One particular type of hernia could manifest due to prolonged injury or surgery. The incisional hernia, resulting from an incision, is a condition that occurs in some people who have undergone abdominal surgery. After the surgery, the intestines may push through the incision scar or the surrounding, weak tissue to develop hernia. 3. Strenuous exercise or lifting heavy weights. This happens mostly to people who regularly hit the gym to lift weights. A hernia could be developed when we perform activities that increase pressure within the abdominal cavity, causing a tear in the muscles of the abdominal wall. Physical activities such as lifting heavy weights can result in hernias due to increased pressure within the abdominal cavity. 4. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, COPD. 5. Pregnancy, especially having multiple pregnancies.